Hey guys, welcome back to Huda's Adventures. So here's my car that we'll be taking everywhere. We'll be joined with some other mates. They've got their cars. I'll show you when we do a video for this weekend. So let's bring it in and give you guys a run through of the car. So let's get started with the front. So we've got the Steady Type X Pro Plus here. It's got the DRL lights, but I just can't be bothered wiring it in. So everything on the car you see except for the bull bar and tires, which is half of the things, we've done it ourselves. So with some mates, of course. We've got the headlights and a light bar, both from Steady. I think this is the Steady 21.5 inch light bar. Yeah, they're really good. You can see out to however God knows how long, but they're really good headlight. Just got the standard covers on them, and the DRL I just can't be bothered wiring it in, so they're just there. Next we have our UHF. Up here we have the GME XRS touring or adventure pack. I'm not really sure which one. I think it's the adventure. So with that, it comes with a 2.1 dBi antenna and the GME XRS handheld. They're amazing. The handheld I'll get to later, but I made a mistake and not got the full drive pack with the thicker antenna. They had no availability at my Repco, so might need to go bigger later, but this does the job beautifully well. You know, I can hear everyone, comms are great. So this is our off-road animal Toro bull bar to fit the 2018 Prado. Fits beautifully. I really like the design of it. I didn't go with the ARB or any other brand just because I hate how far it sticks out. This is really good for approach angle, but I haven't really tested that. But yeah, I like how it's pretty much a bumper replacement, you know, 3 to 4 mils of steel, so that should be good, nice and strong. Comes with the factory windscreen, the headlight wipers. That's pretty nice. Mine is not the Kakadu model, so it doesn't have the front sensors, but there are points for that. Factory fog headlights, whatever you want to call them. And if you want to fit a winch later on, so if you come down here, you can easily put a winch back here. Just unscrew this front bit with some Allen keys and bolts, and you can easily fit a big winch in there. I haven't got to that. I don't really need it just yet, so we'll do that later. I'll make a video on how to install it, so yeah, stay keen for that. Yeah, so if you want to come around here, I know everyone asks this question: can 33s fit on a Prado, or could it fit on my Hilux? Can it fit on this? Can it fit on that? The answer is, in short, yes, they can. So the boys at Transstate, not sponsored by the way, but the boys at Transstate hooked me up with these for a pretty good price. Yeah, got the ROH Assault rims on here. They look really, really nice. And the Marshall Road Benches MT51s. Yeah, they were cheap, and I was like, I'll try on these. To me, they're mud terrain, but they are more of an aggressive all-terrain, if you would ask me. And the Marshalls are like an offshoot of Kumos, so they're the identical version of Kumo tires, just under a different name. So got it for a little bit cheaper. Looks great on the car, if you can see that. Yeah, just got those today. And yeah, around the side here we have the side step. I will be removing this tomorrow, so stay tuned for a little video on that, how to remove this. But yeah, I'm gonna put rock sliders on later, not just yet. So I'll be removing this just for a meaner look, you know, look more raised, look much nicer. So if you want to come around to the back, there is glass here, so be careful. Anyways, So I've got the spare tire here. So I thought it wouldn't fit in here like amazingly. So what I've done is I'm gonna take this off later and then put in magic of editing. I didn't have this handy, but what I'm gonna do is take this tire off and chuck on a K-on spare tire spacer so it doesn't rub around here. So I'll take this off, simple install, just put it in. It's just a spacer, 6mm. You put it on and then chuck the tire back on. It will just make sure it doesn't touch around here. You can see this very, very close just to fit these bigger tires. Yep. And then got the factory Toyota tow bar. Got the factory one. I'm the second owner of this car, so like that's like it already came with that, which was nice. I didn't have to put it on. If you come around here, the car's a little bit of a mess. We just came back from some camping trips at Stockton, if you've seen the reels. But yeah, if you come in here, I'll go around the other side. So let me just put this away. If you come in here, I've wired this in to the XRS Connect module just here. I've put double-sided tape on it and it seems to work fine. Got the handheld here, easy placement. I will be swapping later on, not just yet, later on with the magnetic mount for this. So stay tuned for that. It's a really easy install. And then I've got the wires running down through here into around here, and it's all fused up. Later I can like in another video I'll show you like how to wire this sort of thing. I'm pretty sure it's pretty simple. You guys should know this. I think I'm not that good at cars or whatever. Yep, got the little thing for knickknacks and IDs and whatever here. The missus has got her little makeup, I don't know. In here is a bit of a cluster, but the missus likes to keep some makeup and moisturizers and random things. Got some tissues, wet wipes. This is a great thing to like, it's for cores and valves where you can like, if your core or valve itself, mainly cores because you don't have valves in here, you can fix that. So that's really nice, really handy piece of kit. In here, random tissues, wet wipes, speakers, anything. It is cooled, so you can put like things in, but I've never used that and I don't think anyone else has. Little pockets here and here for storing random. Got my pocket knife in there. I was looking for that. And then if you guys want to follow me around to the front, I'll show you the interior engine. So I've wired these lights up myself. You could probably tell by the job that's been done. Don't really have any conjugate around these or whatever, but does the job. Goes around back there. The relays are back there if you want to take a look. Just bolted on there into there. There was just random space there, so I used those. The wire runs from there back onto this side and goes through that little grommet over there. Other than that, the car is pretty stock. I am thinking of putting an upgraded airbox because these cars are known to have a few leaks or like where dust can get in easily. So I will upgrade this airbox with a snorkel. But let me know in the comments if I should go with a safari snorkel or a Stano. Yep, so sorry for being all over the place, but my editor can fix that so it's all in one go. Hopefully. So for storage, I know a lot of people like to go with drawers and I would love to, but right now I don't have the money for that. So I've gone with these storage boxes which are velcroed onto the carpet, so it's not permanent. I can always take these off. They fit a lot and can do a lot, so they have like a bunch of things, soldering irons, axes, whatever I need in here. And yeah, so they do the job for now. I will be getting a draw system and 12-volt system later down the track together, so it's all like nicely put together. I don't know, but not just yet. I don't have the money for it. Yeah, these are from Kings, not sponsored by the way, are amazing. Oh yeah, I didn't say, but these boxes are from Bunnings, so you can pick them up for pretty cheap, like $50 for this one and like $20 for this smaller one. You can pick them up for cheap. Same with this, we got a 4-pack for $30 or even cheaper, I'm not too sure. But yeah, we just got our camping supplies. And then our toolbox, which is Velcroed on. All of this is meant to be Velcroed on, but I put something underneath it, so we'll fix that later. But yeah, that's the rear of the car. No 12-volt just yet, no drawers, nothing too much. But yeah, if I put anything in, I'll make sure to record it and upload it to YouTube on a how-to or anything else you guys need. Just, yeah. All right, guys, that's it for me today. Yeah, I'll slowly build this car up. If you have any suggestions on what videos I should make next, or what you want to see put into the car next, comment them down below and I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. Considering I don't have the money right now, so we'll like fix that up. But yeah, just let me know what mods you want to see next on the car and I'll try to get them done. And if you'd like to subscribe and hit the like button and notification bell, that'd be amazing too. Yeah, slowly trying to grow this channel to something big, who knows. But yeah, mainly just for me and my mates going around fishing, camping, four-wheel driving, all that sort of stuff. So if you like those sort of things, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.